Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. The Shiba Inu news today is due to the fact that I recently sold all of my Shiba Inu tokens. Despite the ongoing FUD campaign that has been directed at the asset, Shiba Inu has outperformed the Nasdaq 100 index. Shiba Inu continues to gain ground by capitalizing on the buzz around Shibarium and an uptake and bullish attitudes. All recent FUD tactics, such as Shibarium duplicating other codes and BitBoy threatening to divulge Shib's primary developer name, have been ineffective. Since the asset's initial price in 2023, it has increased by more than 33%. We will discuss how I recently sold all of my Shiba Inu tokens in this video, and why Shiba Inu news is so important right now. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. With a price of $0.00001084, Chimino has had gains that are more than twice as large as those of the Nasdaq 100. Shib has increased in value from $0.00008087 by 33.6%. Beginning this year, the repeated FUD that had caused a divide in the Shiba Inu camp has been defined by these enormous gains. The excitement surrounding Shiba Inu, an increase in optimistic mood, and the broader market-wide rallies that have been periodically seen in the crypto realm have all contributed to the asset bullish run this year. In one of the rallies, Shiba Inu spiked to a low of $0.000011 on February 5th before falling to a 6-month high of $0.000015 to $1 on February 6th. After 95 days, the assets made a comeback, but the bull's lack of support caused a sharp decrease that eventually brought the price down to $0.000097 to $8. An additional recovery campaign was launched earlier this month as the asset attempted to retake the local top over $0.000015. This campaign was recently successful once the issue of the overwhelming amount of FUD was resolved. Shiba Inu increased 5% over the previous day and is now aiming for $0.000011 USD in the near future. According to on-chain data, Voyager Digital has started selling Shiba Inu Ether and Voyager token in order to withdraw US money that were deposited into the bankrupt crypto lenders' accounts. USDC worth $610 million was transferred to 2 different Voyager addresses last month. According to the Unchained analytics firm Look On-Chain, Voyager has now sent a USDC worth $150 million to Circle to finally redeem for US dollars. After Voyager sales slowed down during the previous 3 weeks, the move occurred. Service for Crypto Intelligence Voyager has started using the Circle service to cash out its $150 million C and fiat redemptions, Arkham noted in a tweet today. Although the money has been given to Circle, it has not yet been destroyed. At the time. Additionally, Coinbase sent Circle $150 million in USD, probably for withdrawal. Using information from Dune Analytics, Tom is a research analyst at 21 Company. The parent firm of the 21 share block noted that since February, Voyager has been liquidating its assets. The past 5 weeks have seen them receive $606 million. Voyager is now in possession of around $546 million in USD. However, as seen by our income disclosed prior to the stoppage in Voyager transactions on March 10th, their holdings of alternative coins like GNU and Ethereum are still sizable. The addresses of the defunct cryptocurrency lenders still contain 151 points. ETH49 for $22 million, VGX for $53 million, and Shiba Inu for $41.4 million since beginning to liquidate all of its cryptocurrency assets. A list of 50 unique crypto assets has been submitted to exchanges by Voyager. ETH181 points, $74 million, Shib 67 points, $54 million, and VGX 28 points, $82 million, were the largest, according to Arkham. It's important to consider Binance.US while analyzing the most recent Voyager transactions since it represents a purchase of assets that has once again been suspended. Despite the fact that bankruptcy judge Michael Wills approved the $1.3 billion purchase of the assets, the battle over the deal is still raging. The U.S. federal court has once again suspended the agreement in order to give the U.S. government additional time to assess the agreement's constitutionality. Jennifer Reardon, a U.S. district judge, defended the action. The action was taken after the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission filed a separate case against Nance on Monday. The Shiba Inu price was trading at $0.00001076 at the time of publication. The $0.00001122 milestone will be important to confirm the breakout if there is a second effort to break out of the downtrend that has endured since early February. Although the fluctuation in SHIB prices hasn't made investors happy, the whales have accumulated much. The total number of addresses containing more than 1 trillion bytes throughout the previous month's SHIB has grown by 5% and is currently 42. Additionally, the number of addresses owning between 1 million and 10 million SHIB tokens has increased. The buildup of SHIB at these whale addresses can indicate a price increase. A lot of different market interpretations can be made of the increase of Shiba Inu trillionaires. This might indicate a rise in curiosity about the meme coin and its potential for development. Considering the recent decrease in the SHIB's pricing, the burn rate for the cryptocurrency SHIB has significantly decreased. Shiba Inu Bitcoin burn rate is tracked by the specialized Twitter account Shib Burn, which just provided an update on the sharp fall in burn rate. According to the most recent report, the SHIB burn rate has decreased by about 100%, whereas it has decreased by almost 50% over the previous 7 days. The Layer 2 scalability platform Shivery M debut has been anticipated with great anticipation by the Shiba Inu community. Satoshi Kusama, the project's chief developer, has come under fire for serious offenses after a number of launch delays raised concerns about the ecosystem. However, Satoshi Kusama has reassured investors regarding the debut of Shibarium, which has helped the Shiba Inu community feel more confident. The chief creator of Shiba Inu, who goes under the alias Satoshi Kusama, has indicated that validators are becoming more and more interested in ShibRem. More than 500 developers have expressed interest in Jabaria, according to a screenshot recently provided by a Shiba Inu developer at Sunshine Shib. The majority of validators, according to the principal developer, have been invited to use the Shibarium beta test network. Zama thinks that granting validators early access to the protocol will aid in their decision-making prior to Shibarium's launch. According to Kusama, the majority of validators have therefore gotten an email requesting them to use the testnet beta to aid in their decision-making. I might have overlooked a few individuals who might have been mistakenly categorized. But as of my last check, 500 validators were interested. These validators will be in charge of examining the legitimacy of network transactions after your body has launched. Shib's recent losses have a silver lining in that its indicators are currently in a positive position, and they predict a rebound rally for one of the currencies whose relative strength index is getting close to 50, after having been oversold as recently as the beginning of March. Shiba Inu has recently entered the Portuguese market, and NFT exchange Tokapi has announced that it would use Shiba Inu exclusively for NFT transactions made through BitPay. Tokapi, a Portuguese NFT marketplace, has partnered with BitPay, one of the most well-known cryptocurrency payment processors. CNU is one of the well-known cryptocurrency payment methods available on the NFT marketplace in addition to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Customers using the Tokapi platform can now buy NFTs using Shib by using BitPay services, according to this. The partnership with BitPay fits in with Tokap's plans to increase the availability of cryptocurrency payments. With the most recent inclusion of 16 crypto assets as payment alternatives on its site, it now offers NFT collectors and aficionados more flexible options for buying NFTs. NFT Marketplace Copy is based in Lisbon, Portugal. It provides a simple platform for purchasing and selling digital treasures. The marketplace includes sections for apparel, real estate, digital art, and music. The NFT marketplace also disclosed the release of Ronald Kwan's Sheer Light's exclusive NFT edition, a well-known illustrator and animator from Los Angeles. You said that users could only buy NFT editions using Ethereum, which is also compatible with other widely used NFT editions. The ToeCap platform offers Mirage, Hunters, and Snow. Mirage was inspired by the famous KHM's architecture, and the latter was created by Peter Bruegel originally. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.